Welcome to Brain Vision.
To solve this problem, let us write the given data first. So here, given that the value of v is equal to 30 km per hour, which is equal to 8.333 meter per second. Length is given as 200 meter and angle theta is given as 30 degree. The increasing rate of speed, let it be given by theta dash. It is equal to this value, which is equal to 2 multiplication pi by 180, that is equal to 0.0349 radian per second. Now the velocity can be calculated as v1 is equal to theta dash cap k cross L1 I cap plus L2 j cap. So on further simplification, you can write this value as 0.0349 k cap cross minus 200 cos 30 degree I cap plus 200 sin 30 degree j cap, which is equal to 3.49 I cap minus 6.0448 j cap meter per second. Now you can write the value of V2 as similarly the value of V2 is equal to V plus V1, that is equal to 8.333 I cap plus 3.49 I cap plus 6.0448 J cap, that is equal to 11.8233 I cap plus 6.0448 J cap meter per second. Now magnitude is given by mod of V2 is equal to under root 11.8233 square plus 6.0448 square, that is equal to 13.2789 meter per second as the answer for part A. Now for part B, you can write the value of axial acceleration of boat A1 is equal to 0 I cap meter per second square. The value of A2 is equal to theta dash square k cap cross L1 I cap L1 I cap plus L2 j cap, that is equal to 0.0349 square k cap cross minus 200 cos 30 degree I cap plus 200 sin 30 degree j cap, which is equal to 0.1218 I cap plus 0.2109 j cap meter per second square. Now acceleration is given by A1 plus A2, that is equal to 0 I cap plus 0.1218 I cap plus 0.2109 J cap, and you can write the value of magnitude of acceleration is equal to under root 0.1218 square plus 0.2109 0.09 square. So this value will be equal to 0.2435 meter per second square as the final answer. I hope you understand it.